Are you looking forward to message and chat on Thread? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily chat on Thread. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to your application Thread. Make sure that you are logged in into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, now you need to head over to this inbox section at the bottom of the screen, or simply move into the profile of the person that you want to message. Here you will see the option which says follow and message. Simply click on message and then chat with them. Or else click on this arrow icon at the bottom. In this page, the suggested people will also be visible to you. If you want to message them, then simply click on message or tap on send message. Search for the person that you want to message. Type in the text that you want to send and then click on the send icon. After that, the message will be sent to that person. So this is simply how you can chat on Thread. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.